Okay, Arpun, so can you tell me that in this journey of IIT preparation, which topic you have find it toughest? Let us go subject-wise, physics, chemistry and maths.
Okay, so let me begin with say maths. So in maths, personally I found the topic matrices a bit difficult. I found their manipulations a bit difficult. In 11th standard I found conics a bit difficult, but it also depends on your paper. Many papers simply ask formula based or questions on standard conics, that those ones are easy, but questions which probe deep into the properties of conics, they are a bit difficult according to me. The opinion may vary. And so in maths, yeah, mostly this. Calculus some people find difficult, but I think if your preparation is good, you can manage. Also, many people who do not have a math Olympiad background find quite a few 11 topics such as PNC and such difficult. So
PNC stands for?
Permutations and combinations.
Okay.
And I can understand, because even when I started my math Olympiad preparation, combinatorics is a topic which is very frustrating because you do not get the right answer at first, and so I ask those students to have patience.
Okay.
Otherwise, it went smoothly for me.
Okay.
So now moving on to chemistry. Chemistry I found suppose if we start with organic, I find stereochemistry very difficult.
Okay.
So I found stereochemistry very difficult, and only after studying it multiple times and one very helpful sir who brought 3D models to explain to me what was happening, only then after nearly a year of struggling I understood what was going on in stereochemistry, the various Fischer position, etc. Yeah, in stereochemistry, in inorganic we can include coordination stereochemistry also. That also is quite tough. In organic, I can say many people find carbonyl compounds difficult, but once if you start to get the feel of those things, then it is not so difficult anymore. Otherwise, if you study it for the first time, ester condensation, etc., that looks a bit scary. In inorganic, I found initially I found Fajan's rule very difficult, because there are so many exceptions in it that I was not able to set any pattern in my mind, and by blindly memorizing I used to forget it within hours. So again, it was a sir who explained to me via mnemonics, via stories and a little bit of logic what about the solubility properties of salts, their thermal stability, melting point, etc. So this is in inorganic I found this difficult. Boron compounds initially I found difficult, but that was due to my laziness, because I did not study those things properly, and then I was not able to do it in exams, and then I thought that the subject itself is difficult. But once you study those things properly, mostly inorganic is memory based and is not difficult per se. In physical, I found solid state very difficult, although it has now been removed from at least board syllabus, and this year I don't remember whether IIT asked any question or not, but nevertheless students should study it. I found solid state very difficult. If somebody wants, then bouncer questions can be asked from gas laws and thermodynamics also. Yeah, and ionic is very difficult. And
Okay.
so solid state and ionic troubled me till the last day of my preparation. So that is my opinion.
Okay, and still now you have managed to secure a good rank in IIT, so that is a very good thing. So can you please talk about now physics?
So in physics, I must say that mechanics is tough and scary, but my personal experience is that it has never betrayed me in exam. Some things are look deceptively easy, but they betray you at exam and suddenly you are like, how did I lose so much marks? But mechanics looks very scary.
But Arpan, I think mechanics is a very vast topic you are talking about. So,
But-
in mechanics, any particular topic that has been given some trouble to you?
Actually, I can just say rotational, and you would think that I cut down the entire mechanics of 6 chapters to one chapter. But rotational includes within it all chapters preceding it. In rotational, you need concepts from center of mass, work, power, energy, laws of motion, everything you need in rotational. So rotational is like a big superset of mechanics. So yeah, rotational looks scary, is scary, but did not betray me in exams, and otherwise I do not as such feel any
topic
topic
in
in physics
physics?
difficult. Fluid can sometimes give you bouncers.
Okay, and Arpan, what about? I think this also because as I know from your biodata that you have already secured 100 marks in both JEE Mains in physics. So maybe that gave you some confidence in the advanced level physics, or it is not like that.
See, many people say that JEE Mains is easy, this is easy, but scoring full marks or scoring a good rank in anything gives you confidence. So yeah, of course it gave me confidence, it gave me a lot of confidence. I was in a much better place. I
So
also
you have
cleared
got,
NSCP, so yeah, so it does give confidence when you do well in an exam.
So January and September both attempt you have secured. I mean, you have got 100 out of 100 in physics. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, and you have also cleared NSCP and appeared for the INPH. Okay. So that summarizes your preparation.